Warning, this cake is dangerously chocolatey. Easy to make, light, fluffy, and everybody loves it. So welcome to Ozzy's home cooking. Let's get started. First, we melt 100 grams of butter, half cup of vegetable oil in a small pan. When the butter melts, we add 120 grams of milk chocolate right away. Stir until the chocolate melts completely, then set it aside to cool it down. In a large bowl, we add 3 eggs and 1 cup of sugar. We whisk them with a hand mixer for about 3 to 4 minutes until light and fluffy. Now we slowly pour the chocolate mixture into the eggs. Mix gently with a wooden spoon or a spatula. Then we add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1.5 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, just enough for a rich but light flavor. We mix everything until smooth, but we don't overmix. Let me show you. The consistency should look like this. I lightly greased a 24 centimeter round baking dish with vegetable oil using a paper towel. Then I pour the batter into the dish and give it a gentle shake so it spreads evenly. We bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, no fan, for 30 to 35 minutes. When the cake is done, don't take it out right away. Open the oven door and let it cool slowly. Then take it out. This helps prevent it from sinking. Check the edges with a spatula and carefully turn it out of the dish. And here it is. Soft, rich, and full of chocolate. And adding more chocolate sauce won't hurt anyone. Enjoy! If you'd like to see me again, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. See you next time!